Hey, good morning, boys and girls. Today is Thursday, May 14th, 2020. Thursday, May 14th, 2020. First of all, I want to begin by apologizing for canceling our Zoom today. It has been a difficult morning in my household this morning. So it got me thinking about there are probably mornings that are difficult for you when you get up and you have to get dressed and get ready every morning and do your schoolwork. And this time when we're being home all the time in this coronavirus and this distance learning, things like not feeling well, or just maybe not getting enough sleep, or it's raining outside, or maybe it's a happy occasion. Maybe there's a celebration in your family, and during this time it doesn't feel like a celebration. Or if you're not feeling well, it feels even worse because you're home and you have to do schoolwork. And so it just got me thinking this morning. It's been hard in our household this morning. We have had lots of tears this morning, and I wondered if you have had mornings like that. And so we will not be Zooming today, and I apologize for that. And I just was hoping that you would understand. Sometimes it's hard to be a teacher and a mom all in the same house at the same time. So I hope you can forgive me. Today I have to be a little bit more of a mom than a teacher today. That doesn't mean that you can't reach out to me. I'm definitely here for you. So if you have anything you want to share with me, please do that. It helps me when I hear from you. So today we are going to do things a little bit different. I was thinking about this morning and how hard it has been at my house. And maybe you've had some hard times in your house since we've been doing distance learning. And maybe we think we're the only ones that are having hard times. And that's not true at all, because so many of us have had hard times at this time. It helps that the weather's nice, but sometimes, especially if we're not feeling well, that just makes it even harder. So I am not a perfect person, and this is not a perfect house, and my children are not perfect. And it's perfect that we're not perfect and that we have these hard times, I think. And it got me thinking about Junie B. Jones, because we have been reading about Junie B. Jones, and talk about somebody not being perfect. Junie B. Jones is not perfect at all. And the perfect thing about that is that she doesn't try to be perfect. And sometimes we get so caught up in trying to be perfect that it's too much pressure for us. And what I love about Junie B. is that things can fall apart all around her, and she never really gives up. She just finds another way of trying to get a different result. And in the end, we fall in love with Junie B. Jones all over again. So today what I want you to do, and if you haven't been following the story, that's okay, because we have read so many Junie B. Jones. What I wanted you to do today was to take a break from our math and the freckle and the iReady, and just take a break and think about maybe your favorite part of a Junie B. Jones story. And I want you to draw me a picture of what that favorite scene was from the book. What was the most funniest scene, or a scene that you had happened to you, or a scene that just meant something to you. Does that make sense? I want you to try to think of a part of the book, and I want you to draw me a picture of that part. Now, if we're talking about the book we're reading now, it's about Junie B. not being invited to that meanie Jim's birthday party, and there has been a lot of drama. So you could pick out one of those those parts of the book and draw a picture of that. There are not a lot of pictures in these books, so we have to make those pictures in our mind. So I want you to put a picture down. I want you to draw a picture for me, and I want you to tell me what is happening in that. Just, you know, 1 or 2 sentences, or maybe if that's hard to come up with, just maybe write a few words about Junie B, and what's happening in that scene, and we'll share that, okay? And I want you to share that with me. So I'm sorry I won't get to see you today. I hope you really understand that we're just having one of those days today. And I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. And I will talk to you soon.